So why are we sick? And what could be the underlying cause of it all? Is it the food that we eat, people spreading germs, or is it because of constipation and our lymphatic system is clogged? We are told going to the bathroom 2 times a day is good enough, when actually you should go to the bathroom after you finish eating, typically an hour after you eat or when nature calls. I would like to define what are viruses, bacteria, microbes, and the lymphatic system, which I will go over later, along with the immune system. Viruses are a microscopic infectious agent that contain genetic material, either DNA or RNA, and must invade a host in order to multiply. Predominantly, viruses are known for causing disease, which have triggered widespread outbreaks of illness and death throughout history. Bacteria is defined as microbes with a cell structure simpler than that of many other organisms. Their control century, containing the genetic information, is contained in a simple loop of DNA. Some bacteria have an extra circle of genetic material, called a plasmid, rather than a nucleus. The plasmid often contains genes that give the bacterium some advantage over other bacteria. For example, it may contain a gene that makes the bacterium resistant to a certain antibiotic. You know, that antibiotic our caregivers prescribe to get rid of an infection in our mouth, stomach, or our love below. Now, on to microbes, which are tiny living things that are found all around us and are too small to be seen by the naked eye. They live in water, soil, and in the air. The human body is home to millions of these microbes too, also called microorganisms. Some microbes make us sick, others are important to our health. The most common, as you heard previously, are bacteria, viruses, and fungi. There are also microbes called protozoa. These are tiny living things that are responsible for diseases, such as toxoplasmosis and malaria. As for the bad viruses, bad bacteria, and other bad microbes that compromise our immune system, these dead toxins need to be removed from our body. These infectious wastes can stay in our organs, travel throughout our lymphatic system, and bloodstream. This occurs when we are constipated or clogged. Constipation happens when we are unable to move our bowels or when our lymphatic system is unable to drain toxins. Your lymphatic system is part of your immune system. It has many functions. They include protecting your body from illness-causing invaders, maintaining body-level fluids, absorbing digestive tract fats, and removing cellular waste. Blockage, diseases, or infection can affect your lymphatic system's function. The immune system protects us from outside invaders. These include germs such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and toxins, chemical made by microbes. The immune system is made up of different organs, cells, and proteins that work together. Now that you have an understanding of those key terms, let's put it in this perspective. Your toilet is your mouth, and please know you should only place food in your mouth. Flushing is your digestive system. Sewage is your intestine leading towards your colon. Blockage is constipation or clogged. Home is your body. Drains or pipes is your lymphatic system. The walls is your skin. Your landlord is your doctor. After using the bathroom, you place stool and other matters into the toilet. And when you flush the toilet, it discards the waste towards the sewage. You wouldn't flush it only 2 times a day, but you'll flush it every time you use it. And that's how your body should work after each meal. Not as fast, of course, but if that toilet has blockage, the smell will take over your home, causing your home to be hazardous, which will attract unwanted visitors. Or how about your sink or shower? This is the pipeline throughout your home when you clean off your dishes from the greasy foods and other debris. Those matters is placed down the drain. It will eventually clog your pipes if it's not taken care of. So the toilet has blockage as well as the pipes throughout the home. Unfortunately, you have to call the landlord to fix the problem. If you don't fix the problem, a pipe may leak within the walls, or your toilet may overflow, which can cause mold and other damage. This is the same concept for your skin, which may show cysts, pimples, blackheads, and more. Once the disease is killed, this infectious waste can stay in your organs, your lymphatic system, and travel throughout your bloodstream, carrying harmful infections into other areas of the body. But when our lymphatic system is unclogged and our bowel tracts flows, those infectious diseases will be found in our feces, aka poop. Understand that once the immune system kills the infection, the waste has to be disposed. And one of so many ways is through poop. Yeah, that's it. So, what causes constipation in our bowel tracts? And what clogs the lymphatic system? Eating and drinking dairy products can clog your lymphatic system, as well as using hydrogenated vegetable oil, which clogs the tiny lymph vessels in the intestines, called the cisterna. So how do we keep everything flowing and not constipated? By understanding what's in our poop. Yeah, the gooky stuff. So what's in our poop? Water makes up 75% of your stool, research have shown. The rest is often stinky combination of fiber, dead and live bacteria, other cells, and mucus. Soluble fibers found in foods like beans and nuts is broken down during digestion and forms a gel-like substance that becomes part of your poop. Being that your stool is 75% made of water, you should consume more water. I prefer drinking mountain spring water in a glass bottle when possible, and or drink distilled water when you have a meal or as a regular glass of water. Ensure your diet is high in antioxidant-rich foods and you are supporting your liver health. This will reduce the load on your lymphatic system in the first place. If your immune system is strong, you will suffer fewer infections and experience less mucus congestion. A diet high in vegetables and low in sugar is important. Many people do not consume enough fresh vegetables and fruit. Therefore, a vitamin C supplement is necessary. Selenium is a mineral that helps to support a healthy immune system and reduce inflammation. Please eat organic as possible. Therefore, every wholesome food I name, try your hardest to buy organic fruits and veggies. Here are some of the foods that will help with your constipation. Dried prunes, apples, pears, kiwi, figs, dark leafy greens, lentils, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Here's some of the foods for the lymphatic system. Cranberries, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, adaptogens like ashwagandha or mushrooms, garlic, ginger, turmeric, seaweed, citrus. When using turmeric, use organic cayenne pepper. This will help the body break down the turmeric. You may wonder, does organic juicing help? Yes, but please be careful with the fruits as the sugar may become too complex for the body to break down. There are other methods that you can unclog your lymphatic system and help with constipation. Here is another lifestyle that you can choose to do throughout your day. Exercise, especially workouts that involve the abdominal area, such as twist trunks with a medicine ball, hill climbing, or some type of exercise that contract the abdominal muscles. For the lymphatic system, try exercises such as jumping jacks, burpees, dancing, walking, and running. Disclaimer, please check in with your doctor to make sure you are healthy to do these exercises and continue to eat organic, wholesome fruits and veggies. Thank you for wanting to be better. Please continue to do research in other ways. Keep educating yourself as we continue to grow through this journey together. I am here to serve you, and as always, continue to be great.